Hello, and welcome to my brand new kitchen here at Edible Canvas, where today we're going to be making a cheesecake to welcome us to this beautiful kitchen. So let's get to baking. Starting out, we're going to start with a nice base for our cheesecake, and that's going to require about 180 grams of graham cracker crumbs. So here's me, being precise with my 180 grams. Very precise. There we go, that works. Alright, then we're gonna throw it into a baggie and smush it into crumbs. And, obviously, the thicker the chunks are, the more chunky it's gonna be, so you want it to be nice and fine of a sand. And then we're gonna pour that out into a bowl with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Just drizzle that in there. And you can mix this with a fork or your fingers if you're daring, until it kind of looks like the texture of wet sand. Or, all the butter is incorporated. There's not like really soggy pockets or dry pockets. Then you're going to want to put it into your vessel of choice. Today I am doing a teeny tiny little ramekin so that we get a cute little cheesecake to eat. You want to pat that down so it's nice and firm, because you don't want your crust to fall apart on you. Once it has been filled and patted to your liking, we're going to stick this in the fridge so we can get started on the main attraction, that beautiful no-bake cheesecake. So starting out, we're going to take 16 ounces of cream cheese that have been softened, and we're going to beat that for 1 to 2 minutes, and hopefully your beaters don't attack you like they're attacking me, and make a mess everywhere so that your brand new kitchen is dirty all over the place. But it's fine, just put it back in. No one will know, right? Next, we're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I had to read this twice because at first I thought it was tablespoons, but you definitely just want a teaspoon or 2, as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you're just going to mix that until well combined. I like to start from the center so that your powdered sugar doesn't explode all over the place, making an even bigger mess. But you do you until, obviously it's all combined and beautiful and delicious looking. Like that. Then in a separate bowl, we're going to whisk 1/2 cup of heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Then once you realize that your bowl is not nearly going to be big enough, you're going to transfer your cream cheese mixture into a large bowl, and then add in about 1/3 of your whipped cream into that. And then just fold it so it's all combined. Then you're going to add in the remainder of your 2/3 of your heavy cream and mix until just barely combined. You don't want to lose too many air bubbles. Now it's all time to put it all together. So I'm starting out with one of my favorite piping bags, and this one is just a circular tip, frosting tip. I don't remember the number on it. It's just big and fat and round. And then we're going to add that into a cup so that we can fill it up without making a mess. And then obviously fill it full of our cream cheese whipped cream mixture, our cheesecake filling. And then just very slowly, so that you're using even pressure, apply into the bottom of your tin and smooth out the top if it isn't as beautiful as you like it to be. Now that it's all assembled, we're going to stick this in the fridge for 6 hours. Now that he's had time to chill, it's time to decorate. So we're going to take a strawberry and chop him up, apply it so he looks beautiful. We're going to add some blueberries and some raspberries. Thank you to my grandma for supplying our fresh fruit today. And there you have it. It's a beautiful, yummy looking cheesecake. Let's give it a try. Don't want to lose my berry. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Oh my gosh, you have no idea. Oh, after a long day of cooking, this definitely hits the spot. It doesn't require any baking, so it's nice and easy. It's really delicious. You're still getting that cheesecakey flavor, but it isn't as dense since we added the whipped cream into there. So it's like a lighter, fluffier, more delicious cheesecake that I've had. And it is beautiful with these berries because they add just a little bit of more tartness to it, which is awesome. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to get more treats in your pocket and make the world a yummier place. Give me that.